Another flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Addison County and central Vermont, Orange County and central Vermont, southern Washington County and central Vermont, extreme southeastern Chittenden, northwest Vermont, northeastern Rutland County and southern Vermont, northern Windsor County and southern Vermont until 7:30 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rainfall capable of producing flash flooding. Small creeks and streams will quickly leave their banks. Culverts, bridges, and roadside ditches will be overwhelmed by water. Road washouts are likely. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Berry, Bethel, Randolph, Hancock, Chelsea, Corinth, Stockbridge, and White River Junction. If you encounter flooding, seek higher ground immediately. When you can do so safely, please report any flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Stay away from flood waters. Move to higher ground if you are threatened by flooding or are directed by emergency officials. Do not drive into areas where the water covers the roadway. The road may be washed away beneath the water surface, and it only takes a few inches of flowing water to carry away your vehicle. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Do not go on or near rivers and streams. The high water levels and fast flows can be deadly for persons caught in flood waters by accident or try to swim or boat on flooded waterways. When you put yourself in harm's way, the life you risk is not only your own, you also risk the lives of rescue personnel. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Be taken to protect life and property.
Doubleheader. Antenna fell off. That's not good.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Orleans County in northeast Vermont, northeastern Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 4 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail. The storm was near Lake Carmi State Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Richford. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for northern New York and Vermont. The National Weather Service